Hello, boys and girls. Today we are still in Unit 15, the obedience sign, but we are focusing on writing module. So, what are we going to learn today? Let's move on. So, by the end of this video, you should be able to write sentences using the word givens. And then you have to transfer information from non-linear text to a linear text. And last but not least, you have to write an essay based on the picture and words given. Okay, move on to the first task. Okay, basically you got to study this flow map in order to understand and transfer the information from this flow map to the text. Okay, let's look at this flow map. There are 8 things that had been done by a person, and let's look at the first one. Woke up and prepare breakfast, wash school shoes and hang out the wash clothes, cook porridge and get ready the medicine, sweep the floor and water the plants, collect dry clothes from the clothesline and fold, set the table for dinner dad bought food for dinner, clean up and do the dishes, guide brother in his homework. Okay, so basically we got no idea who have done this, but if you move on to the next text, you have a clear idea what is it about. Okay, so basically this is a story about Hannah. So what happened? Let's look at this. Last Saturday, Hannah's mother caught the flu and was confined to bed for the whole day. Hannah is a caring and considerate daughter. She woke up early in the morning and prepared breakfast for her family. After having her breakfast, she washed her school shoes and hang out the wash clothes. Okay, now let's check. So she wake up and prepare breakfast. After that, she wash school shoes and she hang out the wash clothes. Okay, move on. She took a short rest before she started cooking porridge for her mother. When the porridge was ready, she served it to her mother together with the medicine. Okay, let's check again. So, see, after she cooked porridge, she got the medicine ready. Okay? Okay, move on to the next one. In the afternoon, Hannah collected and folded the clothes, swept the floor, and watered the plants. When her father came home with food he bought, in the evening she set the table. After dinner, Hannah cleaned up the table and did the dishes. Before going to bed, she guided her brother in his homework. Her parents are truly proud of her. Okay, now let's look again. First, she set the table for dinner when her dad bought food for dinner. After that, she did the dishes. And lastly, she guided her brother in his homework. So basically, that is the first task. Now move on to the second task, whereby you have to write an essay. So there are 4 pictures given to you here with certain words as guidance. So first of all, you have to decide the character and you have to decide how many paragraphs are you going to write. So if you wish to write 4 paragraphs, each picture could be a guide for you for each paragraph. But anyhow, if you wish to write 3 paragraphs, you have to combine any of these picture in a paragraph. Okay, let's look at the first paragraph. Vinod is the eldest of Mr. and Mrs. Gopal for children. He is helpful and hardworking son. He always wants to lessen his parents' burden. Alright, so this is the guide that has been given for you. So what you got to do is you got to pick the word from the picture and fill it in the blanks. Okay, move on to the second paragraph. Okay, for the second paragraph, I've combined these 2 pictures in a paragraph. So every day after he has finished doing his homework, Vinod helps his mother with the household chores. He sweeps the floors and water the plants. He also does the dishes. On weekends, Vinod washes his father's car and cleans the car porch. And the last paragraph, Vinod cares about his studies. He spends time doing revision every night. Vinod has set a good example to his siblings, so his parents are proud of him. So basically that is all for the second task. So I hope you understand, and I hope you can complete these two tasks and you can submit it to me once you have completed. So if you have any question or if you need help, if you need further explanation, please reach me at this number, okay? Alright, stay safe and have a good day. Thank you very much.